Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftylity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful paper quilling flower card. So let's get started. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So we'll start by taking 3mm yellow strip which is 8 inches long. We'll roll this strip using quilling tool. Now take the coil out and place this coil in 7th circle of circle guide. Once the coil is unrolled, take it out, apply glue and pinch it from both sides to create eye-like shape. Create more such shapes. We need total 6 petals. Now glue all the petals together to create a flower. Create more such flowers. Now take a brown strip of 8 inches and create a tight coil. Stick this brown coil in the middle of yellow flower. Take orange strip of 8 inches and create a coil. Place this coil in 15th circle of circle guide and apply glue. Pinch this coil from both sides and also twist it to create S-like shape. This is twisted eye shape. Create more such shapes. Now glue all the shapes together to create a flower. Take yellow strip of 7 inches and create a tight coil. Place this coil in the center of the flower. Take green strip of 4 inches and create a small coil. Allow the coil to unroll little bit and then apply glue and pinch it from both sides to create eye-like shape. Now take a brown strip of 4 inches and create a loose coil. Press this coil using the handle of quilling tool or table or nail, any flat thing, to create a semicircle shape or half circle shape. This shape is also called as a gumdrop shape. I am using a card paper which measures 21 by 21 centimeters and also draw a circle on this. The circle should be very light. I hope you can see this. Take green color strip. I am using 3mm strips for this project and glue this strip on the circle. Cut the strip in between. here we'll stick a flower. Now take all the elements together and start sticking it on a card. First, place the flowers and leaves on the card. You can arrange them as per your choice. I have also created a small scrolls and stick the scrolls in between the leaves and stems. So this project is completed. I hope you like this card. See you in other video. Till then, happy quilling!